So now let's go into the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something that we use in our life, in our daily business, that saves us time, makes us more money, or helps us have more fun. Chris, would you like to go first, or would you like me to?
Oof. Mine's new. It just came out.
Go for it.
But big Slack user, they came out with a feature called Catch Up. And I've been out of the dating world happily for like 5+ years now. But it's got this little swipe action for what's important, not important. It actually reminds me of the CRM. You probably never used it, Bryan, called Contactually. Compass killed it, so it's not important now. But it was my favorite CRM before I knew what Follow Up Us was. But it had a swipe feature of prioritizing your buckets for your leads. So what Slack does now is you have a catch-up feature. So maybe you've been out in the field all day, or and your team had a lot of stuff that's not important to you. Left is you want to mark it unread, so you get back to it and prioritize it. Swipe right to mark it read, or you can respond, action on it, and then mark it read. The nice part is it clears, so when you actually get back to your computer, you start to work your Slack list. All that's left is things that are actually highly important. So the catch-up feature in Slack is my widget of the week.
And that's on the mobile app, yes?
It's on the mobile app, yep, through Slack. Cool. It's right at the top next to Threads.
Mine is, I'll say it, it's kind of dumb, but it's made me enjoy my life a little bit more this last week. It is... God, this is dumb.
I'm excited.
But I love it. I just got a new surround sound for my house. Chris did too. This is it's a sound bar with 2 rear speakers and a subwoofer. What I loved about it, I got it from Costco. It's the LG SP7R 7.1, blah, blah, blah. But I like it. It's pretty, it's simple. It sounds great. And what I was finding is I was finding stuff on Amazon for like $100 for like 11 speakers, or I was finding stuff on like Bose for $1,400 for half a speaker and one wire, right? This through Costco is under $300, gives me a little surround sound. And I updated my old surround sound that I had, or my old soundbar that I had for 15 years. So I know it's dumb, but if you have been like me, who's been wanting a new soundbar for months and months and months, I got it from Costco for I think $250 or something like that. So yeah, that is that. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode of the podcast. We will see you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.